What's up, everybody? It's Nurys, and this is Accidental Beauty Blogger. Guys, it is the new year, and as long as it's still January, we are still trying to make New Year's resolutions and trying to keep them. I need some self-care in my life. I really, really do. This new year, that is my motto, that is my goal, that's what I need to do. So what better way to start than with a fresh new skincare routine? And of course, do not forget to wait until the end because I will be choosing the ultimate must-have product because you know it's gonna go inside this bag. Ooh, skincare power. This is...
What? What are the words coming out of your mouth today?
Wait, I gotta fix myself up. Okay. All right, guys, this is the Dr. Dennis Gross Stress Repair Face Cream. Do you see this face? It is stress. And Dr. Dennis Gross, you helping me right here. Oh, this is way nicer than what I have. I'm not gonna say what I use, you know. All right, so I'm gonna put this all over my face because this is a moisturizer. I feel it. Oh my God, this is just amazing on the skin. Holy crappers. I'm massaging it upwards because from what I've heard from people, when you're putting anything on the skin, you gotta massage up. You don't wanna look old. Because it's non-sticky and it's not super thick, it's gonna be a really good like base. If you have a serum or something else that you wanna put on your skin, you can put it on top of it and it's gonna go perfectly with it. I feel alive! You know, I was a little sicky, but this moisturizer right now, I ain't stressed. Yo. Okay. I see you. You guys got me the moisturizer and the eye cream. And let me tell you something. My eyes are my problem area. Like look at me. I look like trash. Why? Because my eyes are looking crazy. This is another one of Dr. Dennis Gross products. This is the eye cream. I do want to say like with eye creams, a little bit goes a long way. Guys, I've heard that if you use your ring finger, it's better to put like for under the eyes because it's not as harsh as your middle finger. And I'm just gonna like dab it under my eye. This is supposed to get rid of some worry lines because my God, do I have some puffiness in my eyes? Oh my God. Let me just tell you something. With the moisturizer and the eye cream, look at this glow. Okay, this is from Benefit Cosmetics. This is the POREfessional Hydrate Primer. This is actually new. This is really cool. I'm very excited for this. Before you put any like makeup on your skin, you should always put a primer. I put a little bit on my finger. This is not greasy or like heavy. Ooh. Immediately what I'm noticing already is like I have some pores and my pores, people, are not there. POREfessional? Stop it. Ah, that makes sense. POREfessional. My face is good. Ooh, there's another one? Girl. Ooh. This is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filtr Hydrating Longwear Foundation. God, now this is exciting. Work. You see me here? Work. Is this gonna make me dance like Rihanna? Because then, okay, let's do this. Guys, look at this cute little tube. You could throw this in your bag and you don't have to worry about it spilling or breaking. I like to apply foundation with a beauty blender, but before I do, I put it on my hands. So I'm gonna dab it all over my face. So guys, already I've noticed the foundation is lightweight within itself, but it's very full coverage. Like, look at my face already. I think I'm good with what I have right now. One thing I've learned is that you gotta do everything. The neck, the ears, because you don't want foundation on just your face and then you got like light ass ears and then your neck, you be looking all crazy out there. Don't do that. All right, guys, I had so much fun taking care of myself today. Like, I really honestly feel amazing and stress-free. But now it's time for the ultimate must-have. Are you ready? It is Dennis Gross Stress Repair Face Cream. Honestly, I was alive when I put that freaking face cream on. Listen, I didn't know you before, Dennis Gross, but I know you now, and you and I are gonna be besties. I'm gonna put it in the bag, guys. I'm gonna put it in the bag, because this is going with me.
No.
This is going with me.
No.
Guys, please do not forget to subscribe to Yahoo Lifestyle. If you want to shop any of these products, please shop it down below because you're going to need it. Self-care is important. Self-care, resolutions. Go get it. Go get the Dennis Gross skincare.